Hey guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to be unboxing. Got a flat surface. First I want to open the monkey noodles because I don't have any. And I just got 2 boxes, so let's open them. I might. There. Okay. Tape. I don't need scissors for that. Ow! God. Alright. Monkey noodles. Wow, that's a lot. Look at these. I got blue, pink, green, yellow, and orange. They're super soft because they're brand new and they're super clean. Okay, next. That one was way easier. Monkey noodles. Same colors. Super clean. Alright. I have way too many now. Okay. Alright, let's put these to the side. I'm not going in the trash. Okay. I'm not gonna open them. I'll open the mini braids last. Alright, we'll do the mochis. I have a t-shirt. Why are they making it life so easy? Probably because kids are always opening them in the car. Ooh. They're super stretchy. Now let's see if they glow. I'm gonna shut off the light. The sun doesn't really help, but let's... Not really. Okay. I don't know why every time I get close to the thing, my head starts going. No idea. Okay. Here's this one. I think it's like a caterpillar. And then, where'd the other one go? Oh, it's still in the packaging. And then this one. It looks like a hedgehog. These were the last 2 and they're glow in the dark, so. Okay, next ones. I want to see what's in this lunchbox. Oh, this is series 2. They've already had a first series. Okay, let's open. Mat? Why a mat? Okay, now I need the scissors. What'd I get? I got this. And then, oh, this is slime. Yeah, this is slime. No, yeah, no. Aw, it's pancakes. What's inside? Bacon. What's in here? Stickers. I don't like stickers, but yeah, they're like a squishy. Okay, I also get a cool looking lunchbox. Yeah. Let's open my balloon pets. Okay, I'm gonna open the butterfly. I'm getting really annoyed that there's tear strips. I want to use scissors. Ooh, that feels weird. It's a butterfly. I was trying to look for the blue one, but they had only the yellow. Okay, time to open this bear. Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't need the, wait. I don't need the scissors. Okay. Feel the same, cuter, colorful. Yeah. I like how they actually tried to curl up his legs to make it look like a balloon. And how on each one they have like little things for like the end of limbs. And then the swan. I really like this one. It's my favorite color. And it's also really jiggly. Okay, that's all my balloon pets. This I don't really get to unbox. It's already unboxed. This is what you should do on the video. You should like. Alright, time for the best part. We're just gonna dump these out and put all my trash in there because I literally have nothing. Okay. Why do I have so much trash? Alright. Time for the mini ones. I think I'm going to open the toy one last and open this first. Okay. I hope I don't get no dupes. But it's alright because I have a little grocery store on the floor. So let's see, where is the little strip? Right there. Alright, let's hope I get lucky. Alright, first slice. Dang it, first duplicate. Caramels. I don't need chocolates. I already have a lot of chocolates. Okay, next one. I already got these. Golden crinkles. Okay, next. I already have these. More cheese dippers. Oh, I don't have that. Red Hot. Okay. Last one, last slice. I had this. Pita cheese, I think. That ball sucked. Except for one that was actually, that I didn't have. I hate these little zippers. Even on the LOLs, they suck. I'm really concentrating because I hate this zipper. It keeps breaking on me. Okay, probably one of the hardest zippers I've ever got. The plastic is stuck to it. I'm mad. Okay, time to find another zipper. I hope this one's not as hard. Oh my gosh. Why is my mini brand luck sucking today? I mean, I found them, but I just can't open them. Alright. Now let's see what's in this. The whole thing came off. Okay, we'll just open this one because it broke. It's a sign. It was a sign! Don't have that. Yet. Alright. Time to open the next one. have the onions. Pickles again? I don't have this. It's port salt. Another box of cheese dippers. That's it. This one. There. Like the other one, it was this wrapping stuck. Okay. There it is. Okay. I'm getting really mad. Like the wrapping is stuck. Alright. Again, a sign. Nope, it wasn't a sign. I already got that. Ah, I already got that one too. Oh, I don't have these. Dang it, I just got this one again. I already have this. Alright, the last one. I've been waiting for this. Alright. Let's see what toys I get. Alright. Alright. I hope I don't get no duplicates. Dupes. I'm getting mad at, like, they don't want to come off. The wrapping. Finally. Alright. Gotta go through one more layer, and then I'm on the opening of the white ball. Yeah. Okay. Alright. First one. Oh, I already got that, boys. Alright, next one. I already got that one. Nerf gun. Next. I don't have this one. I got a mini Leonardo. Alright. I already got this one. Alright. Oh, I already got that one. Fast and Furious Frisbee. Dang, I opened them all. Alright. I'll show you guys what I got. I got that, these, all that. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye.